As I sit before the screen, the numbers from Asia's markets slowly begin to glow, a quiet reminder that the rhythm of global finance never truly sleeps. In 2025, we're all still living through what many call the inflation hangover, that delicate aftermath, where central banks, after years of easy money and sudden tightening, have left investors cautiously optimistic but wiser. And in this new reality, our choices as traders and analysts depend not just on numbers, but on trust, technology, and adaptability. That's exactly what drew me to explore capital trade consulting PT Ltd, and why I'm excited to share my experience with you today. When I first came across Forex Capital Trade Consulting PT Ltd, I was intrigued by how confidently they balanced precision with personal touch. Unlike the rigid, faceless platforms that often make users feel like just another number, this broker approached trading like a conversation, one where transparency and intuition go hand in hand. During my Review Capital Trade Consulting PT Ltd process, I focused on the small details: order execution speed, clarity and communication, and that subtle but powerful feeling of being supported rather than sold to. We can't ignore that today's monetary policies, from Washington to Singapore, are reshaping risk sentiment. As inflation slows but remains unpredictable, traders seek brokers that not only adapt fast but also respect the long game. Broker Capital Trade Consulting PT Ltd seems to understand this rhythm deeply. Their trading environment reflects stability in volatile times, something every serious investor craves. It's like having a co-pilot who not only reads the instruments, but senses the turbulence before it hits. Naturally, in this industry, whispers about trust are constant. I saw people wondering about a possible scam capital trade consulting PT and I get it. Skepticism is healthy. But experience cuts through noise, and my opinion capital trade consulting PT is grounded in data and real interaction. Every deposit, withdrawal, and communication I've had has been straightforward and secure. It's refreshing, especially in a digital age where too many platforms hide behind ambiguity. Let's also talk about the digital footprint, capturedeptld.com. The interface of broker capturedeptld.com feels designed by traders for traders. It's intuitive, fast, and beautifully structured for both short-term analysts like me and long-term investors seeking a calm harbor amid global uncertainty. My review capturedeptld.com reflected what I value most: performance consistency. Even in high-volume trading sessions, the system remained stable, a quiet but powerful reassurance that this is not a platform built on promises but on performance. I understand why some people search for scamcapturedeptld.com before they even try it. The online world has conditioned us to expect the worst. But after months of real trading, my opinion capturedeptld.com stands firm. It's a reliable, well-structured, and transparently managed broker that performs exactly as it claims. For me, that reliability translates to freedom: the freedom to analyze, forecast, and trade without second-guessing my platform. The story of 2025 is one of balance, between fear and faith, caution and opportunity. Inflation may have left its scars, but it also taught us discernment. As monetary policy continues to steer sentiment, traders must align themselves with partners who not only survive these waves, but ride them with confidence. That's why my Review Capital Trade Consulting patented experience feels like more than a review. It's a reflection of how strong partnerships shape smart trading. When I log into forexcapturedeptld.com, I don't just see charts and candles. I see potential. The subtle hum of a global market finding its next equilibrium. I see women and men reclaiming their financial independence, guided by insight, not impulse. And in that moment, as an analyst and as a trader, I feel a rare calm. The assurance that amidst all the noise, I've found a place that speaks the same financial language I do. So, as the screens flicker and the world debates the next rate decision, remember this: smart trading in 2025 isn't about chasing signals. It's about building trust. And trust, once earned, becomes your strongest form of capital.